Good job. Do it again. Oh, you got under it.
Step back just a little bit.
There you go. Whoop. Try to hit it on top of the ball, not the tee. You were doing such a good job a minute ago. Wait for Daddy to step back. Put your hands together. There you go. Daddy, help her choke up.
Hands like that. Right here at the top. Where the slack. Put your other hand right there.
Now, stand the right way. How are you supposed to stand? There you go. Oh, get a little bit closer. Woo! You got it on the backswing.
Step a little
Square
closer.
up to the bat. Good job. Let's see one more good hit before we send this to Grandma and Grandpa.
Step up just a little bit.
Woo! Let's hit the ball really hard this time. Just like you did.
Now you're chopping it.
Now you're chopping it. This isn't a tree. Hold on, wait for Daddy to move. Okay. Woo! Good job. Wave at Grandma and Grandpa.